The Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro are set to become the latest and greatest smartphone from the house of Google, and even though there's still a few months between now and the eventual release of the two phones, there's already plenty of information available. In fact, Google can be thanked for many of the details, as the company has continually released Pixel 7 and 7 Pro teasers over the past few weeks and months. The Pixel 7 and the Pixel 7 Pro are expected to make their official debut in October 2022. Google has yet to officially confirm the launch date for the Pixel 7 series, but based on previous launch events, Google tends to favor October and typically the first half of the month. However, last year's event was slightly later than usual, with the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro unveiled during a dedicated presentation on October 19, 2021. Either way, October is likely to be when the Pixel 7 series is fully unleashed, and it probably won't be alone either. For one thing, the Pixel Watch is also expected to make its market debut around the same time.